Hello students, let us do one question of equation of line. So it's given to us the line 2x plus y minus 4 is shifted parallel by 3 units upward. Find the equation of new line. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to understand the thing. I'll just make you clear what is happening here. So this is Cartesian plane. X-axis is horizontal and y-axis is the vertical line. Suppose any equation is there, any line is there. This is any line. So this line we are shifting parallel in the upward direction. Like this, something is happening here. Okay. So this concept we are going to use here. For first of all, we know if two lines are parallel to each other, we have to find the equation of this line. We have to find the equation of this line. Suppose this line is the given line. This is 2x plus y minus 4. This is the given line. And when this line is shifted parallel 3 units upward, so then we are getting this new line. We have to find the equation of this line. So we know both the lines are parallel. So that means this slope is equals to this slope. So m1 is equals to m2. So let us find slope first of all. So slope we know how to find. We'll convert the equation into y is equals to mx plus c form. So y I'll write on this side. I'll shift 2x to other side. It will become minus 2x. I'll shift minus 4 to other side. It will become plus 4. So if we see the coefficient of x is the slope. Coefficient of x is slope. So what is coefficient of x here? What is coefficient of x? So coefficient of x here is 2. So that means m1, which is slope of first line, the given line, it's equals to minus 2. Which means because both the lines are parallel to each other, which means m2 is also equals to minus 2. So one part of the question is done. We have found the slope of the line because we know slope of the parallel lines are same. Now our main thing, because here the question says it's shifted by 3 units. So somehow if I know what is the point here, in this point, in the y-axis, we don't have to add because in upside it is being shifted. So we'll just whatever point here we are getting. Suppose here some y we are getting. In this, we will add 3. Then we will get new y-intercept. So let's see what is y-intercept here. What is y-intercept here? So we know 2x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0. This is the given equation. So this equation I am just shifting into this form. So if I shift it to this form, y is equals to mx plus c, which I already did. So I got minus 2x plus 4. So from this one we got m's value as minus 2 and this is c. This is c. C is nothing but it is y-intercept. C is y-intercept. So what is the value of y-intercept we are getting here? 4. What's the value of y-intercept we are getting? So that means this point is equals to 4. This point is equals to 4. Now we have got y-intercept's value. But this line is shifted 3 units up. 3 units upwards. That means if here it is 5, this is 6 and here now 7. 4 plus 3 we have to do. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. So new y-intercept is equals to 7. New y-intercept is equals to 7. So if I use this form, y is equals to mx plus c, the equation of the line will be y is equals to m's value minus 2, x as it is. Y-intercept's value is 7. So y is equals to minus 2x plus 7, or I'll shift 2x to other side. So 2x plus y is equals to 7 is the required equation. Thank you for watching. I hope you have liked this question. So like, share and subscribe.